Presenting myself. Please help me here on stage, Mr. Leomar V. Director, to give this award. Certificate of Recognition is proudly awarded to Mrs. Yudulin T. Sibuya for being hailed as Best in Parcel Shopping Award. Pasok, talaka, maestro. Palakasin na. Congratulations. Next award is Best in Mga Pita Award. Regine A. Abilio. Mr. Donut of the Year. Parisan og donut. Ay, kalimti ang donut, kada agaw, ay 5 lamang. Picture. Ano mo, medal? Next award. Best in Marites Award. Famous award goes to Mrs. Razel Sevilla. Nasyak ka si award. Best in Diet Award. White out taong siya ipaniod to na. Goes to Mrs. Ana P. Atanasio. Oh, wala ka niyo turon. Pagtratayin ko. Sige, wala pa nagsakit ang kilid. Next award. Laging inaantok sa Kasong Award. Goes to kanila kapit, Gina T. Magaguro. Laging inaantok award. Ganaan mo bibili siya? Kanang Kamay Award. Mr. Leonard F. Montano. Sir Limar. Huwag kita ng Leonard niya nga. Limar. Next award. Best in Recess Award. Recess na? Teresita Nuevo. Oh, salubay mo kamalingon. Best in Recess. Very one of the famous award in the Philippines. Best in Kilay Award. Best in Kilay goes to Mrs. Jubilin Gonzaga. Ayaw naghikapa kay para tuloy ipapanas. The award is itawag na Nonchalant Award. Mr. Roger Abilio. No Loan Award. Isa mo nila ang No Loan Award. Ato ilingit ito nila, No Loan Award. Goes to Mrs. Chidian J. Baca. Third, to the last award. Kunti lang ang Loan Award. Goes to isa man niya. Isa rin yung kunti lang ang loan. Ha? Mr. Leomar V. Director. Next, High Loan Award. Nakatagaling award. Mrs. Donabel D. Lilia. High Loan Award. Congrats. And the last award goes to me. Me, highest loan. Okay, thank you guys so much sa among ilunan, ang CSB, East West, ang umabot siya na